it's from the cigarettes I smoked each day after you left me standing all alone. Alone in my Park Avenue apartment that smelled fresh and new. The extra set of keys from you are going to the maid. Maid has been my only friend. She's always there to apprehend the dust and grime that settles in around the crystal base. The crystal base, a wedding gift that through the years has made the shift. What once held flowers now holds ash for my 2 packs a day. Ooh, baby, she walks with the phone on her side and big sunglasses on her eyes. All the uptown girls say hi. Oh, I can't take another day of this, she says. All I wanted was a drink and a kiss, but I guess I'll just have to call on my bank, cause it swears. She never knew no better than to follow her own. So I asked for your forgiveness, cause I'm part of the show. Now she's gone and all she's left with is a house full of clothes. Sometimes, my damn, it's okay to cry. If I die alone to death, I'm sure it's from the cigarettes I smoke each day after you left me standing all alone. Alone in my Park Avenue apartment that smells fresh and new. The extra set of keys from you are going to the maid. Yeah, we ain't gonna touch you. I mean, we just did. You don't know no better. You got your Chanel. You got them shorts with the girls and everything in the front. But the dang on you. People don't tell you. They don't speak the English. Well, she's probably just a chip off the block. You know, like coffee and pop. Well, at least she can get away for a while, get some sun on that yacht. She never knew no better than to follow her own.